It's about Floyd himself. Some of the people within the MK party still believe ukuthi ukuba kuka Floyd laphayana, it might be a deployment from EFF to go there and disrupt the party. Some of the people are still thinking of some people, yes, some people still believe it's only a political game. Of which yes, it might be possible if ever one day why when uzothi why this guy the lawyer guy from the EFF is quiet? Why is he quiet about this thing, Floyd? Why is he not like saying anything? Why Judge Hlophe, why Mama osuka ku-EFF, the former public protector is not against what Duduzile is saying to Floyd? Why are all the former EFF members quiet about this?
But but the same question can be asked to you. They are not saying anything. In fact, I'm very close to Dali.
Yes.
Dali is not happy with the way this Twitter has been going on. I can tell you, he's not.
If you still remember when I talked, Udali said this when he was leaving after his resignation from the EFF. I was there when MK party was formed. I was part and parcel of forming the MK party. Dali saying that you were as part of forming the MK party while he was still the member of the EFF.
Even Floyd was part of the formation. So, would you
believe me if I say, yes, that's what I wanted to say. Would you believe me when I say Floyd was part of formation of the MK party while he was still the member of the EFF?
Yes, I know that.
Okay, so you do believe that Floyd and Dali, they do have the majority percentage of being presidents of the MK party, according to their caliber, according to their intelligence and everything.
Yeah, and you might have a point, Des Kumbuzo, because if Zuma can die tomorrow,
yes,
MK might not be in the hands of the
co-founders of the MK, the ones we believe. The ones that
co-founders are no longer there, Kumbus.
Yes, MK might fall into the hands of the people who left EFF to join MK. So that is what Tutu is fighting for. That is what Tutu is fighting for. Because if ever MK falls into the hands of the people who left EFF to join MK, that will be the end of MK. We will find what MK was saying, trying to combine these two parties. We will see MK becoming EFF.
Yo, was it not what these two leaders had agreed between Malema and JZ?
It's not. They didn't agree because JZ wanted MK.
No.
Malema
Initially, JZ agreed.
Yes, but MK
that they said after the
Marema refused to close EFF and go and join
No.
MK.
Initially, what is called progressive force that was started by Malema,
Yes.
that JZ become there and sit there. Because you must understand, ATM was formed by Zuma
Yes.
while he was still in the ANC. Now, he wanted to play chess, Ubaba. Now, the progressive forces agree that let's go to the elections. When we come out, we will then become together.
Yeah. So
But then when they are out, later there, they change a tune, which is politics.
Yeah.
Zuma said, no, let everybody,
what Luyanda is saying, that MK party and other people, what they are saying, that MK party it's a stock fell. It will be revealed today going forward. If they don't expel Duduzile, it means it's a family stock fell. Because you cannot call a senior member of the party by the F word. You cannot do that. It is completely out of line. Saying to the senior member of the party that I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you calling the member by the F word.
Let's go to Jerry. Dingan, then Jerry, and then we'll come to Eskan and Faranani and 1281. Dingan.
Yes. As I said, the issue for in a potential lenkulu kakhulu to destroy MK.
True, I agree with that.
If leadership ayithathi very seriously, yabona. If utayekela, uyekela kaso. Kunebantu labahleli khona bathi lento lena we've been saying it. You can't touch Duduzile Zuma because he's the daughter of President Zuma. Yabona, you can't touch her. Noma angaba wrong njani, you can't touch her. Once kwangaba nebantu labanale narrative leyo bafu. Uchaza ukuthi i-organization i-destroyekile to the last degree. I mean, Duduzile Zuma is a senior member bafo with MK. As a senior member, unalo lungelo lokuthi abe nema questions lathide nge-Secretary General. Unayo lungelo lokuthi angabi happy ngetinto lethide letentiwa i-Secretary General. But kune platform le right lokufuna address lama issues lawo. She knows as a senior member ukuthi I cannot go public hlambalata another member, a senior member of the organization. So I can't do that. Kunema platform la right la kufuna ukuthi ngikonze kuwo if ever kuna something lengisola. Because if you look nje, if you come and categorize my members, usine my members la join nini ku MK ne my members la join nini. MK is a new party. Ayikahlanganisi even 16 months or 18 months. So bonke labantu laba ku MK they are new members. Baqhamuka ku ANC, labanye baqhamuka ku EFF, labanye baqhamuka ku IFP. They are all coming from other political parties. So if you build a party ngekuthi recruit abantu labaqhamuka from other political parties, even those who are not active in politics, ukuthi babuye babe part yalento loyentako. So if kuba na somebody inside the party who wants to chase those who are joining the organization, iyokhula kanjani organization? The organization udzinga ukuthi uyikhulise beyond the KZN. It dominates KZN, but you need to have the organization growing beyond KZN, expanding to other provinces. But ngeke ukhona ngalo mqondo lona Duduzile ukuthi ukhulise iparty. Uyabona, all along I've been supporting, defending her. Nabathi divide iparty. Lento le if utawukhumbula bafa yaqala yakhulunywa nguJabulani Khumalo. Wasijabulani Khumalo, I'm telling you, lengane le uDuduzile uyayibulala iparty. Some defender lapho sathi no lento le ayikho. Uyabona? yabuya le group le yakhishwa eParliament lebehamba nabo Thamsanqa Khuzwayo yasho ukuthi Duduzile Zuma is a problem ku MK. Uyabona now utivetile yena self ukuthi she's a problem ku MK. So if leadership iyahluleka kudila na Duduzile decisively, I'm telling you bafo, it will spell the end of MK. Kutayilimata kakhulu MK lokho because bantu abaningi will be discouraged to follow MK because of my actions at Duduzile. Yabonga bafo.
Let's go to Jerry.
Yes, Baba. No. Bengifuna nje uqala ngokuthi ngisamele ukuthi Duduzile must receive a harsh sentence. Ubaba and his cabinet, his executive must be very decisive to Duduzile. Ngoba ke mina akunalutho olutheni engilazela uDuduzile olunye ngaphandle kwalento eyenzekile. Okay, asibuyela now. I don't agree with the statement sokuthi uFloyd mhlambe has been sent by uMalema lapha to destroy iMK. Mhlawumbe ngoba mhlambe ezotholani yini azoyithola ukudestroy iMK. iMK ayibusi, yabo. So ke why uma ngabe uMalema efuna ukudestroya something angathumeli uFloyd ukuthi akabe ANC okuyona ephethe umbuso noma ekuyi-DA okuyona eqhoqhobela umbuso. Okay, ANC uphethe umbuso kodwa i-DA iphethe amandla ngoba iphethe amaphepha, iphethe imate angibe kanjalo. Yabe seyiphetha yaphatha negwili lezi ekhona uRupert. So ke angifuni ukuvumelana ukuthi uMalema is very very bitter ngokushiwa Floyd. As we have said ukuthi uFloyd is an asset. Khona manje sinoKhalini House la obekade hamba noZuma ever since. Namhlanje uKhalini House is in the AFF and is busy destroying uZuma by all means. And asikunakele lo ngoba siyazi ukuthi that is politics man. Mayese lapho ukuze athola ukuthi adle ngoba labantu abadlayo ngepolitics bawo sihlala ngabantu yabo. So ukuze adle lapha nje ufanele kube khona into ayikhulumayo ngoZuma ezingekho right nanokuthi uyena waxosha i-Youth League ayiphethe uMalema nolokhu yabona nje iningi into ayikhulumayo kade engazikhulumi konke lokhu kushuthi ngamanye amazwi uthi uZuma uyena owahlakaza i-ANC. So ke elami lokuvala ke mphathi ohlelo ngithi cha uDuduzile akwenziwe nje isibonelo ngaye. Yebo ngiyazi kuzoyithinta iMK lo uzoyithinta kodwa futhi i-decisiveness iyafuneka ukuthi mayibe khona. Mangabe sizoba amagwala kulungu basazongena abantu ku-MK thula nje uzobona khona abasengaphandle abaye mhlambe kusho ukuthi baxawe yona le ngane ekuthiwa uDuduzile ebengikade ngingazeli lutho bengilongizwa ukukhulunywa ngayo kodwa angivumelani nomqondo ukuthi uKhumalo ngoba uKhumalo siyayazi issue yakhe ukuthi nje impimpi nje yangempela futhi eyingozi kakhulu. Angazi ngalo siswase njalo wasempumalanga yena ke lo onama issues ama sexual harassment uma flirting and stuff like that. Angazi lutho kangako kodwa nje uKhumalo angifuni ukuthi ngaze ngi-entertain indaba yakhe ngenxa yesimo sakhe engisilandile ngasithola ukuthi awukani lo muntu lo yena wayeqala vele lento eyiqala kahle kodwa ke wabe sexoshwa imali. Masingase sikubalele sonke siphuma kwi-Youth League futhi kuyile youth yayise South African Youth Congress ingakavula umlomo e-ANC. Ziningi kakhulu izinto ezazenziwa amabhunu ezama ukusi-attempta yabo ukuthi sikwazi ukudayisa ngomzabalazo kodwa sikwazanga ukudayisa ngo saphila sihlupheka yabo. Maye mangivele qhamuka abantu abangavuthiwe abanjengoKhumalo kanje bacala bazoqhamuka begijima ngama-Range Rover nje behlala komhlanga yabo into ezinjani ama-bodyguard aphezulu asonile mamosi. Mina nje ngabe ngaceba kuqala
but Jerry asilungise le ndaba Jerry.
Yebo bhuti.
Khumalo has been in the business.
Yeah.
And he has been staying in Mhlanga for a very long time, before he even goes to Zuma and talk about opening the party.
Okay. What about Khumalo?
Lalele, ngilungisa le ya Khumalo, who was the co-founder of the MK.
Okay, yeah.
I know him personally.
Okay.
So he has been having business for a very long time. Futu, he has been working with Duduzile Zuma, by the way, if you don't know.
Okay. No, yeah, I appreciate
so I just don't want you attacking him and say because he's driving the Range Rover. It's like he bought a Range Rover last year.
After ilukuzana imali lezi ezayikhishwa i-Stellenbosch Mafia. No,
I'm saying the Range Rover that he drives, that he bought it in Santen.
Long time ago, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, he bought it a year 2022.
Yes,
so, and that Range Rover that you are insulting him, Range Rover, guys, we must play politics, not innuendos. But that's not what we are talking about. We are talking about Duduzile versus Floyd. Because I actually do not like in my platform.
Yes.
You know, we attack people with the baseless things. That's why I don't agree that MK is a stock fella. It's a baseless conversation, right? I do not agree that we then I don't agree with Oguti MK. It's a family business.
Okay.
I don't. It's a political party that deserves to be respected with its own challenge. That is my view. Now let me go to Faranan.
Yeah. Barminina.
Nayandu.
Dan. Well, let me use this language. But I was hearing some other people using their languages, but let me use this one, the English one. It's okay. You know, I was listening to the people who were busy here, trying to come with some knowledge, with something according to what they understand about the fight between Duduzile and Floyd. But here, I hear you were putting some other people in order so that they have to understand that when we go to vote, yes, you are right. When we go to vote, we vote for MK, not for family. That's very correct. That's why now on, if you hear me earlier on when I was commenting in this issue, I was trying to elaborate or trying to explain that whatever that is happening, it will even make us to doubt the party, not the family, the party of MK, whether we can vote for it in the next election or not. Because now on, if we can talk about this issue, whereas the organization started not so long and there is such thing that is happening. But according to me, Doctor, here we are facing the challenge of personal issues. There are a lot of people here who have got their personal issues that I don't even know where it's coming from. And when they come here in the platform trying to explain their view of the thing when regarding to those two people, I was hearing people talking about the bitterness of EFF, maybe leader, or the bitterness of MK, and then somebody said no, MK was formed through the bitterness. But when the MK was formed, indeed, Jabulani Khumalo is the one who started this organization of MK, actually. So now on,
my brother,
Yes.
Brother, let us not talk about the formations.
All right.
Because if it goes to the formations, you're going to deal with a lot of issues.
There'll be a lot.
Yeah, I want us to deal with the impact of Duduzile and Floyd and how they can navigate it around it as a party. You understand?
All right. So, okay, let me just go there to this one. I'm sorry to to consider something that was not needed in the topic. I'm very much sorry.
No,
but I was trying to explain. Yeah.
I'm afraid that if we bring another topic, I'm about to leave. I've got a Zoom session here. I need to consult a client. Not so long, maybe by I will leave here by 1 o'clock. So I'm left with only 40 minutes to be 50, to be precise.
Okay. Thank you very much. I'm very much sorry for that. All right. You know, when I can talk about this thing of Duduzile and Floyd, this thing is going to cost the organization very seriously. I'm telling you, it's going to cost the organization because, you know, there are people right now, those who are thinking now, okay, in the next election, we are going to vote for MK. But because, mind you, there are people who follow MK right now because there is Floyd Shivambu on the party. There are people who love him, who are following him. And now on, when he receives such attacks, it's whereby people, they will now lose the interest in the party. So what I can say is that those people, those two, or the party, they must sit down with Duduzile and talk to her that this is not how we deal with the issues like this in public, because this can cost us. Because now on us, because we are some of us, we are the politician, some of us were the citizen, and we need to know which party that can lead our country in the next 5 years. And then if this thing is happening like this, it's affecting us in such a way that now on, we are not sure whether the organization, it belongs to the family or it belongs to everybody in South Africa. So now on, I think what I can be happy of, it's when I hear that no, Duduzile, she was called to accountability in the statement that she released, and there is this action that was taken here and there. That will show that MK party is not for a certain family. MK party is for everybody. Either you are in Limpopo, either you are in Gauteng, either you are in Mpumalanga, either you are in Cape Town, you can vote for this organization. It's not tribalism, a party whereby this certain group of people, they will be taken as superior than another as inferior. So from this thing, I think let us hear from MK. Let us hear their release, their news, breaking news that whatever that happened, this one Duduzile, she's been holding accountability, and it's where we're gonna get it. That is not for family; it's for everyone. Thank you very much, Doctor.
Thank you so much, guys. There is no reason to swear at each other.
Yes, Dr.
Yeah,
yes,
that shows, you know, please, we might disagree, but let us not swear at each other. I see some words in the comment section there. I actually do not appreciate that. Just that I can't block you because we want them to learn. Yeah. 1281, then I'll come to my brother on top, Luyanda, and my brother there, Mangoba, and then we'll come to Steve. 1281. 1281. I think he's sleeping. Luyanda?
Yes, comrade.
Yeah, is there anything you want to say? Okay, no, thanks. Asiyokumanqoba.
No, thank you, host, for accepting me in your platform, and thank you to everybody that has made contributions. I think most of them are very valuable contributions. It's just unfortunate that we wake up to news like this where personal things are now playing themselves in a public platform, which now are also affecting the party in question, and also other parties that are involved, and also, most importantly, other parties that are fighting for the liberation of a black person. I think mine will be very short on this one. Whatever that has happened. It shows that there are fractures within the party in terms of people and the views that they have as far as building the party is concerned. It just shows the conflicting of views, which is something that is healthy in any political party. That you will always have differing views, but now it becomes a little bit dirty when those differing views are now displayed in the public platform for everybody to see. Because I think, as we understand it, politics is not static. Politics is very dynamic, and in it being dynamic, people that are engaging in politics, they will always have different views. They will always view things differently, but it shows immaturity when those different views are now displayed in a public platform, and then you find them sekunabantu abazoba nama-malicious attacks towards people because they are having different views or they are viewing things differently. I think what the MKP has done in terms of issuing the statement in saying that they will call Duduzile to the disciplinary hearing so that she publicly apologize on this, failing this. There is also other measures that have been stated in that letter that was sent and circulated in social media for all of us to see. And it will be upon the reaction or upon the actions that are going to be taken from that particular stance point that is going to determine the outcomes of whatever that we are facing. I'm trying to reconnect again.
Doctor, I think you can pick another one.
Yes.
Looks like Dr. Nile is gone now.
Kusho